Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic's tire pressure monitoring system. First, ensure all 4 tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. You can find this specific pressure listed on a sticker located inside your driver's side door jamb. Once your tires are correctly inflated, park your vehicle safely on a level surface, ready for the next steps. Next, turn your Honda Civic's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Depending on your model, you will either use the steering wheel controls to navigate the multi-information display or the touchscreen. Look for the Settings menu, then select Vehicle, and finally, find the TPMS calibration option to proceed with the reset. Once you have located the TPMS calibration option, select Calibrate or Initialize to begin the reset. Confirm your choice on the display. After initiating the calibration, you will need to drive your Civic for approximately 20 minutes at a speed consistently above 30 miles per hour. This driving period allows the system to properly learn and store the new tire pressure values. After completing the required driving, the tire pressure monitoring system light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains illuminated, double-check all tire pressures and repeat the calibration process from the beginning. For persistent issues, or if you encounter any error messages, please refer to your Honda Civic's owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.